Right. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what changes that you make, right, to your modified opinion. Earlier video, we have discussed about types of modifications, right? Did you remember that, or shall I do a recap? Right, qualified opinion, adverse opinion, and disclaimer of opinion. Right, qualified opinion is given in how many situations? Two situations. Right, when the auditor identifies the misstatement and when the auditor is unable to obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence whose possibility of misstatements are material but not pervasive. Adverse report, when the auditor identifies the misstatements, obtains the evidence about misstatements, and those misstatements are material as well as pervasive. वो मटेरियल भी है, परवेसिव भी है, राइट, इम्पैक्ट ज्यादा है, इसलिए एडवर्स ओपिनियन देते हैं. राइट, कमिंग टू द डिस्क्लेमर ऑफ ओपिनियन, व्हेन द ऑडिटर आइडेंटिफाइज द मिसस्टेटमेंट्स, द ऑडिटर इज अनेबल टू ऑब्टेन सफिशिएंट एप्रोप्रिएट ऑडिट एविडेंस अबाउट दोस मैटर्स हुज पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ मिसस्टेटमेंट्स मटेरियल एज वेल एज परवेसिव. मतलब मैं कहा था कि मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स के बारे में आपको एविडेंस ही नहीं मिला. इन दैट केस वी आर गिव डिस्क्लेमर ऑफ ओपिनियन. Now listen, what changes will be made in the contents of the audit report? Contents of the audit report. So first, आपका जो है, जो टाइटल एड्रेस ही सेम रहेगा, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. कमिंग टू द ओपिनियन पैराग्राफ, जो हेडिंग है, राइट, दैट हेडिंग इज गोइंग टू बी रीनेम्ड एज क्वालिफाइड ओपिनियन, एडवर्स ओपिनियन, एंड disclaimer opinion. Coming to the next paragraph, which is the basis of audit report. That basis of audit opinion will be renamed as basis for qualified opinion, basis for adverse opinion, basis for disclaimer of opinion. Right? And in the base of opinion paragraph, one of the point, or we can say the last point, is that auditor uh, has obtained sufficient appropriate audit evidence. Now, this line should not be written for disclaimer of opinion. For qualified and adverse, you can write. Why? Because you obtained sufficient and appropriate audit evidence, right? But whereas coming to disclaimer, you are not in a position to obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence. You should mention that you could not obtain audit evidence, right? And in opinion paragraph, in case of disclaimer of opinion, you need to mention that I cannot express opinion on these financial statements, right? I cannot express opinion on these financial statements, right? I already said that not expressing any opinion itself is type of opinion in case of disclaimer of paragraph, right? That's all for today. That's all about this video. Have a nice time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So if you have any other doubts, please do mention in the comments. I will definitely reply to you. Right? Thank you. Thank you so much.